Is your eBay profile still showing that blank gray silhouette? If so, that can actually cost you sales. Buyers want to know there's a real person behind the listing, and a missing profile picture can feel a little incomplete. So here's the good news. You can fix it in under a minute. Learn how to add a profile picture right now. I'll walk you through the exact steps, from logging in to saving your new photo. Let's get started. So first things first, open up your browser and head over to ebay.com. You can use whatever browser you like, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, it doesn't matter. Just get to that main eBay page. Now, you'll need to sign into your account. Go ahead and enter your email and password. Just a heads up, if you have two-factor authentication turned on, you might need to grab your phone for a quick code. That's totally normal. Just follow whatever prompts show up on your screen. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see your username right there. Hover your mouse over it. Don't click just yet, just hover. You should see a small menu pop up. Now, right beside your username, you'll notice that blank profile picture. It's probably a gray silhouette or a generic icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a little window on the right side of the screen. In that window, you'll see a few options. Look for the one that says Edit Profile and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can update all sorts of things about your eBay account. Now, on this new page, you want to find the section for your profile picture. It should be right near the top. You'll see an option that says Edit Profile Picture. Click on that. And here's the really important part. Your computer or phone will now ask you to choose a photo from your device. This is where you pick the image you want to use. In my experience, a clear, well-lit photo of your face works best, but you can also use a logo if you're a business. Just make sure it's a square image, something around 500 by 500 pixels. That way it won't get cropped weird or look stretched out. One thing I've tested over and over is that eBay does have a file size limit, so if your photo is huge, you might need to shrink it down first. But for most regular photos taken on a phone, you'll be just fine. Once you've selected your photo, you might get a chance to adjust it. eBay will usually let you drag the image around a bit or zoom in and out to get the framing just right. Take a second to make sure your face is centered and the photo looks good. After you're happy with the preview, look for a button that says Save or Save Changes. Click on that. This might take a moment to process, but usually it's pretty quick. And that's it. You're done. Your new profile picture should now be visible on your eBay account. Go ahead and refresh the page or check your profile again. You'll see that blank silhouette is gone, replaced by your actual photo. Now when someone clicks on your listings, they'll see a real, professional-looking profile. That little change can go a long way in building trust with buyers. So there you have it. You've gone from a generic profile to one that actually represents you. If this helped, consider subscribing for more quick eBay tips. Thanks for watching.